Tibay, syempre ako, tsaka si Kuya Boy. Boy ka man siya, Boy. And yes, the landmass of the viewpoint here in Catanduanes is bigger compared to Batanes Island. Medyo kalmado yung tubig dito pero nakakatakot pa rin kasi hindi ka pupuhayin because of the huge rocks. This is it. Diba?